Hey, welcome back to the channel, folks. Here's the sound of the Ducati Panigale V4S 2022 model with the Termignoni exhaust and the dB killer inserted, so with the dB killer. About 10 feet. This is about 20 feet away. So at 20 feet away, it's only about 83, it's less than 85 decibels. Most of the tracks like National Corvette Museum and others that I know of have a sound requirement that they check at 50 feet, and they want it to be about 103 or so, 100 to 105 decibels. So I don't think anybody who has the Termignoni with the dB killer installed is going to have a problem.